Hello YouTube, I'm back. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I just got this package in. It's from Fashionphile, and this is something I was looking at online. So I'm just going to unbox it real quick, just so we can see what it is. I really wanted to wait, but then again, I really wanted to see it. So as you can see, it came from Fashionphile. Came with a little calendar. And I'm assuming that this is the receipt. I'll open this up in a few. A Fashionphile file, and it says thank you. So the item did not come with the manufacturer's bag. They said they would put it in their Fashionphile bag. Okay. Lovely, lovely. Oh my God. And this is her. It is an MCM Liz, I believe. It's not a reversible. I don't know if you can see all of that, but oh my God, it's so pretty. When I talked to the sales associate or the gentleman online, he was describing it. He said the handle's really nice and they really look like they are. Just glancing over it, the trim, the leather trim on the top looks pretty good. The edges show a little bit of wear, but not bad. But it looks good. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here for right now, but I will be back with more details. Y'all have a good one. I'm glad I took a chance and purchased this bag. I've heard a lot about MCM and their quality and that they're really nice bags to have. It does have a little bit of ink on the inside. It has 2 pockets, but I think I'm really going to enjoy this bag. Once I get a chance to wear it, put some items in, and take it out, I'll come back and do a more detailed video on how much I like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment, subscribe, watch my other videos, because there's more to come. Thanks.